Hey, una good morning this morning. Everybody will say biggest good morning to all of una. Now so they tell me this morning, no. I don't they complain, they come before today say witchcraft, that they always there with me for the show. But today, it be like say they do meeting yesterday, say today we go leave only Ogbolo inside the studio. So as it be like this, I'm here with myself and just myself, me, myself, and I on top the show. The only olive, we're supposed to here with me. Mayawa, yeah. Maybe they do meeting yesterday night now, say, make only Ogbolo go do the thing, make it fall hand. But nothing. When God is there for you, nobody can be against you. I am wonderfully made, I am fearfully made, I belong to him. I'm great. What will be the other lyric there? I don't forget. But any which way, you understand what they talk, all right? So I did here alone with myself for the full craze on top of the party. So this morning, hey, almost only me this side studio, on the flexing P. All right, so, I hope all of you sleep well. I hope everybody make too much brain. On top of the show, party today, now only me be your party. So today, no be party show. Today, now just the party show. All right? Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this morning, only me they sing this song for my head. I don't know why. I just wake up, just happy they sing the song. When I remember that song they sing that year, for what is the name of that movie again? Sounds of Music. Do adia, fi me dia, re adop of God the song. G I got myself far along the way to run. So I need to pull it thread. I need the man, I think that will bring us back to do mi so re fa lat. Oh, I wake up this morning only me feeling myself at the brush teeth. It shows that today go good, and for all of you now waiting for outside there, receive it now. Your day go make too much brain. Una welcome on top the party show. We don't start now. Good morning to all of you now. I is coming back. Right now, as it be like this now, I go give them the first gist this morning. The first gist. All my head just they shine. I don't know what's in the happen. I don't know that all this old age where don't they come like this. Man, I don't understand me now. Before my head they come for it, don't they go back now? Old age. I'm not a young somebody any which way. But for inside Akpabu, your local government area for Cross River State, police don't detain. Now they say they don't hold one particular husband and wife. Because this particular man and a woman, they are beating their 11-month-old baby boy. Because they accuse the boy of witchcraft. How? What can I help me say, Wala? How? How 11-month-old pikin go they do witchcraft things? She, not be mama way born and they supposed to look. The witchcraft, how they take give am? 11 months old, not be breast milk and small food they don't they chop. What's wrong about you? If the boy na witchcraft, maybe they hold the mama for the work to say mama self is a witchcraft. Now neighbors don't see how they beat the pikin. Put different marks for him, but they make look the picture. Is this a good something? It's a bad something. Why you gonna beat your pikin anyhow? For what? See the boy head, see belly. Mark everywhere. 11-month-old boy. They say the boy they possessed with the Ogbanje spirit, the marine spirit. How una take no? If none of they do follow and they do the Ogbanje work, that means something is wrong somewhere. Please, because all this level now, any small thing for family, they say na the boy. It's not a good something. It's not a good something at all. So please, police don't shook eye for the whole thing. And now they say any which way until they finish all the every on top investigation, then they go release the papa and the mama. Every happen for inside Cross River State. Please, parents outside there, be careful who you are laid accusation upon. Leave everything to God to take care of it. All right. And if that boy now the real one, now not supposed to beat down. Because if we hold on for work, think about it. If that boy just go to the meeting, go tell them, say, see, my mama, my papa, they beat me. It don't worse. So be careful, not be by beating. Beating, they come out witchcraft. They come out with deliverance, not be beating. All right, Mina? Bam. Then our first of our gist for the day. Secondly, Pharrell Williams and Robin Thicke. You know this song? Bloodlines, I know you like it, I know you want it. Sweet song. Now, that song, now originally Marvin Gaye song. Then Robin Thicke and Pharrell Williams. Now the song be this. As it be like this now, they talk say these two guys them. The family of Marvin Gaye don't hold them for work. Say, una must pay. For say, una go use this particular song of Marvin Gaye. Marvin Gaye, they say, died for April 1984, and he lived in children for the copyright every on top of the music. Now, the family, they don't award them $7.3 million in damages. Now they don't award for the whole thing. All right, so make our Nigerian musicians the year, make the year, because oh, the song they sweet abeg. Oh, pump the volume, woo! Yeah, woo! Yeah, baby. Oh, baby. Bam, 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 bam. Woo! Yeah, baby. Good girl. Yeah. All right, so bring it back. Thank you very much. I love that song finish. Bloodline. Hey. Ooh. Sorry. But the family. Hey. This music career, I must involve for the whole thing. Nothing they happen. Now, the family, like I told just now, they don't award $7.3 million as the payment for damages where Robin Thicke and Pharrell Williams go pay on top of the thing. But Pharrell Williams and Robin Thicke talk say, we no do copyright, we no go copy and most of them go through illegal things. So their lawyer don't chook mouth for the whole thing. They say we go battle this thing. Nothing they happen. Any which way we go hear the final gist. For all our Nigerian musicians they wait for outside there, where they always go, they sing anything, don't wake up. If the money can wait hold for work. If there's something they hold for work. But any which way, I know so I go know the best thing to do. Because in this country, everybody are sharp. We are sharp in the country. Nothing they happen. All right. So we go mad break for you now. We'll go for small things on a breaking level. By the time we come back, we'll continue on top the Paddy show for today. Thank you very much. We dey come back. This life is beautiful. You know, say just now, we talk about one Ogbanje story just now, for one 11-month-old boy. But you know, say for this Paddy show for today, this girl, what they call Olive, we come in as a foreign wench onto this particular show. She don't finally appear from where we said I may go drink water. So, ladies and gentlemen, to announce the arrival, like they talk for SI Airport, announcing the arrival of Olive Mordi, a.k.a. newly imported witchcraft. You are welcome to the show. Now, you be my guest.
So,
now.
I just sit down for one corner, I hide. I say, make I look this guy first. He dey rake before. He don't see me, he can't dey cry, he won't die. Now he don't see me. As he see me first, say, I can remember say they form me.
I resemble I resemble person like this now where they form say they miss you. I don't miss you for anything. See this they miss you. Make I tell you what, I rather miss fuel for this country than miss you. Make I they let you not sing. You understand me now? So any which way
tomorrow
you are back here on every
come now because of our wonderful viewers. When I think the kind of owner they show us, now make I say, make I come help Ogbolo career my day on top this set. And a very good afternoon to you. Know say I know the great good morning. I'm not going to ever greet good morning. Good afternoon to Una.
Go school.
Back to Yan the Yan.
Okay.
I don't hear the two Yan way Yan Una. Now one Yan Una. One very horrible story. They say man where they rape, and I say they use by force take torchlight children. They're given children may they look after them. You can't use by force take the torchlight.
Hey! Babysitter. Turn to torchlightist. My brother, God will judge you.
And you know, say not be even one picking. This man used by force torchlight and take torchlight.
Hey!
5 children. 5.
they cancel 5 children.
For 16 years, now this man they do this kind of thing.
16 years.
Yes, so
16 years they torchlight people, children. Eh?
Then the smallest of the pikin them now 8 years old, now in the pikin be. And this man where they do this thing now 49-year-old man, you don't see as he be like imbecile.
No. But look, the man, this guy can pass you any day for road. You not gonna know say now this kind of evil thing he they do. You understand now? Because as a matter they be like this now. People when they do this kind of thing, they just be like you and I. They carry normal face.
True.
You understand?
You see, this man, you know the way where he can't take enter some of the children. He first of all be friends with their mama them. He can't be friends with their families and their parents. So you know, say for that side, to get nanny the course where. So the man just say, you know what, I feel they help when they look after on a picking, when I go work. And they say, oh, wonderful man. They carry their children, give the man. They don't know say the man they use by force touchlighting, they touchlight them. So this one a lesson to we parents out there, most especially we mothers. When we dey careful, I never be mama, but I know say when I become mama and when I born baby girl, I serious say no uncle go carry my pikin. No uncle, because I know what I don't hear from some kind children, some kind friends. They'll tell you say the first touchlighting where they touchlight, say now their uncle or now their brother or now their cousin. So maybe they very alert. For girls now, no boys now their house help now they be their first touchlighting.
Now house help but boys now always house help now they use the train things for training purposes. You know me say baby started with the outside. They nobody say now all now bad though. You understand? But some of them because they know they get freedom to go outside, go to do things, they'll come the use the ones we did for house.
That will not be excuse. If to say now more say you go get person when go up, they look after your children. I beg. May you get cameras where they go hide for your house. Make them not know say camera there. They call them nanny cam. You go hide them. Hide them inside your pikin teddy bear. Hide them for different locations for the house. So even if you do your office, you feel they monitor with
job like that girl for that African country. Where they play pikin like football. They push them for ground, they bust on the head. Now camera and I can't catch the whole thing.
Exactly.
So you as a parent too, if you want to put a baby star in the house, put a CCTV inside the house too. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Dog and man.
Now, on to our second story. You know why this story that suits me for Bele? Because I know say some people, they love dog.
Oh!
That's the way they say love.
Thank you.
You love dog,
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank
really?
you.
Anyway, now, I know say dog them, they very loyal to their owners.
Yes, so.
And for this story we get here, he get one 21-year-old pikin knock for him family house. As he knock.
After I don't go for mission.
Exactly.
For 2 years.
For 2 years, he not there around. He go Russia. So as he can't come back from this mission from Russia, he knock for the house. Oh boy, the way the dog take tear celebration or something matter. This guy na dog for informal life.
My sister, see, I get 5 dogs before. If there be some boys, they will get one canteen. We just can't use them.
Calabar boys.
I not talk. I not talk anything.
Now waiting I hear.
They turn the dog with pepper soup 3. The remaining 2 I all free them. We can come pack for that house. But I miss those 5 dogs.
They say when this guy not there around, say the dog they go in room, go find him. The dog not see him. So as the dog, you know, say it surprised me. Say even after 2 years, the dog still recognize the boy. Oh, John,
dogs, now the smell. See the dog. See the dog. 2 years.
Oh.
2 years. You know they hear the noise? All this one now, I say, I miss you.
Oh. People like say the man, they cry, yo. Hey. Oh.
No, forget. See,
Oyibo,
when it comes to dog and human being, you not feel beat that friendship. It just be like the love where God get for us.
And it just be
you
like the
feel
love
beat the friendship.
where Ogbolo get for me. You know, say behind camera, a lot of things they happen. As Ogbolo not first see me for studio, how first cut. The guy can't they fool himself, they sing all those kind of nonsense song where take start intro because he don't already they disorganized. But as I enter studio, Ogbolo they shout, as I can't remember, and I can't arrange himself. So I not sabi. Now that one we get today on top Yandi, and this now still the Paddy show. You fit follow us on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. May you sunsh us all the better information I get for us. I'm gonna tell us whether they feel us. I'm gonna tell us whether make I punish a man no come the show tomorrow again. Now time to
no come. Forget.
Okay.
No, that's
okay.
No, that come. No, that was not too good. No, arrive here. I dey tell you, you understand? Not they call, no arrive for the show. Sit down for your house. Nothing dey happen. We go tear the show. Nothing dey happen.
I love una. Now because of una make me dey come.
Mayowa. Now this kind of thing you bring come for this show. You not even get level. Nothing.
I remember we go
laugh, Jare. Wait, miss you. Why am I forced to miss you? I'm not missing you.
But you talk about TV now.
Say I miss you.
I
die.
I
die if I talk about you.
How far you still dey do the party?
Now wow, you never dey road dey come. Hurry o, Chris Brown and Don Jazzy don dey perform for the jacuzzi party. Don't worry, drinks are on me, champagne, everything dey. If you no hurry, my bouncer go throw you out o. He go.
So that guy for back, that be Don Jazzy. Make it here.
That guy be the bouncer.
Don Jazzy again.
You don't know them.
You know, down don't entertain. How you dey bring golden school this
forget
thing
today na throwback Thursday.
For
you know the Instagram.
Where be the throwback Thursday?
We dey throwback.
Now when they sit down for Instagram, they sleep for them. Now they do throwback. Now what
I
you this one?
I follow
all
this
these
guy
kids.
at Funny Ogbolo on top Instagram.
No, for to see, we don't know.
When I see the way this guy, they fool himself
on top Instagram. Now Ogbolo, hello.
Now Funny Ogbolo.
Oh, now you gonna by force me you want to force me they miss you. You want to force me they accept me. What if you all this wahala now? What short on you?
Guy,
I mean,
now me they embarrass like this on top national television. I mean they embarrass.
How to embarrass you?
You they embarrass me.
How to embarrass?
I don't come to show again.
Praise the Lord! Father, we bless you. We give you praise. I appreciate you, Lord. Thank you, my Lord, my God. I appreciate you.
You know, say
Thanksgiving. No come.
Man, no come.
No come.
No problem.
No arrive.
I mean, when I tell me whether man come, I be man, no come. That?
No arrive. All right, so we will take pictures now. Then we continue with the show. All right, still on top of the party show.
Joe.
Please. Pictures.
Hey.
Still on top of the dog and the human being level.
A little privacy, please.
Hello. Hello. Hey. A little privacy, please.
Where see the dog say they look?
You want look?
Nonsense.
Your own and my own. Which one be like real one?
Which one big pass?
Hey. All right.
Oh, clothes. I don't need them. Papi water.
But from far, see how she use hair cover body.
If
Lagos girls catch you,
your life not remain.
If they catch you,
not be Lagos girls. Make me first get some.
Nigeria girls, if they shave you cutlass, they cut all the hair like this, bushari.
Hey.
You see, when they say some things for life, that misplaced priority. When you miss your calling for life, when you're supposed to be like just someone like you, for example, now. When you're supposed to be a good somebody, come turn to witchcraft. Now be the zebra own. He live in work, turn to monkey. A zebra, you're now a monkey. You live in ministry.
Ogbolo, I know they the mood to curse you today. I know they the mood.
Okay.
Not try me. I know
all
this.
Right.
Hey, chicken where they lay dog.
Another misplaced priority.
Like you.
When you leave the work, when they say you can't do for this life, they make pium for the whole world.
Ogbolo,
you will lose it.
Wait till you study for school where you they work for you.
Make I tell you something, my young girl. Let me tell you something. I'm a marketer in a university.
Hey.
You understand me now?
Hey.
I can still market everything on the TV. You are a lawyer. What are you talking about? You a law? See this one. See this fowl now. Fowl now, they brood on top this Rottweiler dog them. No, How? How?
Ogbolo, see you and your
Olive,
wife.
go back to your village. Olive, go back to Warri. Go your area.
You and your future wife, when they move from Ajegunle,
at least we get mobility. Not be trek, not the trek. You and your guy.
My amazing shoes.
Now make you get yam for leg now.
I don't get yam.
Based on trekking things. All right, thank you very much. All right, so Olive, you get any to talk with them before? Sure.
This guy not get sense. First of all, I want to tell you, say for the first few minutes where I no day with Una for this studio, I really miss Una. My heart day with Una. Now because of when I make me come back.
Only wait.
And tomorrow we get very
Only.
interesting package for
I talk that thing just now. 4 old women for house. Now we dey deceive your father.
You. When
Wait
our
till-
village people carry your picture, take the fan native rice for stove.
So they use my
Now
picture.
make your life be like
So my
this.
picture they use to take a
Then
far
they
rice.
use your picture, take the
Then they
fan
totally
native
your own
rice.
for village now. Now make it they do anyhow for you. I don't know. They carry the like
They don't tie your sense. They don't tie your sense with padlock. Throw it for inside Okpe River.
Wow. That's
Nonsense.
discovery.
I beg una follow us on top Twitter, una send us message. If you follow us individually on top Twitter as well and on top Instagram, where we dey sunshine at better gist wey dey happen for the world. Until then, tomorrow, watch out. I promise you, I say tomorrow's package.
You know they come tomorrow. Now, don't
I go
forget.
come tomorrow.
See this babe.
Enough
No
is
come.
up.
No
Not be
come.
you be my oga.
No arrive for this show.
I go come
Please.
tomorrow.
Thank you.
Not throw away paper. If you throw away this paper for ground, I'm saying you not get sense. You not get sense. I could come and talk and say you not get sense. Throw away
Ladies
paper
and
for ground.
gentlemen, thank you very much. As we go always talk, please make sure that you show love to one another, all right? Please be lovely and be everything.
we
We love you.